beautiful viewers. This is the K-Popper Unboxer coming to you with a brand new unboxing. Today we have Onew from Shiny. This is his newest mini album, and it is called Tough Love. It's his 5th actual mini album. So we have all the versions here today. We have the book version. We have the note version. We have the Pocketbook version. And then this right here is the towel book set version. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, before we opened the book version, I got this order from K-Pop Market. The links will be in the description below if you're interested. My friends there are great. They are Korean, so they ship from Korea, just to let you know. So these are some freebies they gave me. Cute. Okay. So this is the book version. So it kind of looks like a box, like you get a package in, if you will. Now, I was gonna say, I just cut it. I love Onew's music. Tough Love is the title. I think my favorite is probably Lie, I think. But these 3 tracks are so good. So is Da Da Da. Okay, and this is Velcroed. So, I don't know if you're supposed to, like, bend it like that to make a display. I don't know. Or if it's just the way it is. Okay. So that's the out box. Okay, we're going to take out the inclusions. Make sure we got them all. Okay, I love the color scheme of these albums and the way they all go together. The pink and green. Make sure I got everything out. Okay. I just love Onew's music and his voice. Oh, so good. I was hoping for a Shiny comeback by now, but we might have to wait a little bit longer for that. I love this colored jacket. They had a pop-up for him, and the whole place was decorated in this, like, color scheme. And it looks so cool. I wish I could have went. But sadly, I do not live in Korea. denim look. Cute. All the denims. I like the lyrics on these pages as well, having them represented. Oops. Okay, so here are the lyrics. Okay, cute. And then we have the CD. Looks like we have some stickers. Then we have a photo, printed photo. Cute. And then we have a magnetic bookmark. It has a magnet so it can close and hold your place. And then we get 2 photo cards. So here's the first one. Oh, cute. His little cheeks. And then here is the second one. Oh, it's the denim look. He looks so young and youthful. Okay, so that does it for, I'll just remind you what the box looks like. That does it for the book version. Let's move on to the note version. Okay, next up we have the note version. This is cute. It's one of those like little binders. Kind of looks like the binders I used to put photo cards in. Okay, so we have this. And then we have some paper clips. And a paper clip. A sticker sheet. And this really cute Polaroid. All the idols are doing that nowadays. All the boys that I see, anyway. Like Sakuya and Sakura. I'm sorry, Sakura. Sakura. In NCT Wish does this a lot in his things. Oh, that's bizarre. That reminds me of when people scare the crap out of their cats on TikTok and wear these, and the cat like thinks it's a giant cat. I'm like, don't torment your cat. He looks so cute. I wonder who's in that outfit. I wonder if it's like just somebody on his crew or if they hired like a model or something. He looks to be slightly taller. It's probably a model, I bet. Oh, another outfit. Look at those glasses. So cute. I like this outfit. It's really cute. Oh, I hope one of the photo cards is this photo, like with the glasses, or this look with the glasses. It's so cute. Oh, nappy time. That's dangerous. Rested. I mean, I know he's skinny and thin, but I don't know. I don't trust none of glass like that. Oh, look at this little cute, little tank top thing. That's cute. Oh my god, I love Smucker's strawberry. I didn't know they had that. That looks like an American, because there's no Korean. Oh no, there's some printing on the back, it looks like. Oh, you know what? Flex on Me. I love Flex on Me. I mean, his music is so good, but yeah, I don't know. I can't pick I like all of them. Okay, then there's this little tiny pouch that holds the photo cards and the CD. The CD is a mini CD, and you know how much I love that. Okay, so let's look at his photo cards. They're green in the back. We got this one. So it's the first look in this group. And then we got this one. Look at the little calic. So adorable. Okay, so that is everything we got in the note version. All right, let's move on to the little Nemo chip version, or whatever you want to call it, but they call it a Pocketbook version. Okay, so now we have the Pocketbook version, and this is tiny, tiny. Oh, there's like 3 little photo books attached. Oh, this is from the music video, his Tough Love music video. Which is really good, so I highly recommend watching that, as well as streaming the album. Okay, that was just really thick. I thought it was 2 pictures. That is an interesting album. Okay, so you get... Oh, did I show the code? I don't know. Okay, so you get this first card, which... Oh, there's that tank top. It's like a deep U. Okay, so the code is under my thumb, but that is the directions. And then you get 2 photo cards. So we got... These are from the music video. So cute. And then this one. So cute. Okay. So we have one more version left. Okay, so this is the towel book set version. They also had them separate, so you could buy just the green and just the pink. But I decided to get the set. So let me take it out of the wrapper and we will look at the full package. So this was a collab between Onew and Floppy, which is the name of the towel company. It says right there. And these are face towels. Of course, they are usable. I, however, will not be using them. Okay, so there we go. Cover. Oh, and the cover's the same material as this, which I think is really nice. It ties everything together. Okay, so photo cards. And I thought there was directions on how to fold these back up. I hope there is, because I don't know if I'm gonna remember. I think on the individual boxes it was on the box, but I don't see anything on the collection box. But anyway, we'll try our best. These are like really big towels. So there's a little saying there. There is that. And then it says Onew. So I will pull this down. These are pretty big hand towels. Here is the green one. So it says that. If your bathroom was pink and green, this would be like the perfect thing for you. My bathroom is gray and blue, so this would not really fit. Plus, I would never wash my face. All right, I think, yeah, if I do this, that looks right. Yeah. Oh, that one's a little off. This is... folding towels with K-Popper Unboxer. Where is... I'm trying to find... Oh, there it is. So, this piece, and then I think this piece. Yeah, okay. Wow, I don't know why that took forever. Which one was first? The pink one? So they're supposed to look like books on a shelf, but they're actually towels, obviously. All right. Well, that's good enough, right? Okay, and then we got the photo cards. Oh, look at, so cute. Okay, so there I did the code thing again. Okay, so the first card is this, and it has the code. And then the second card is this one. So cute. Okay, so let me get all of the PCs back out here, and then we will wrap this video up and get you on to your next one. Okay, so here are our Onew's cute PCs. So like I said, the photo book version, or the, what do they call it? They call it book version, has these two. The note version has these two. These two are from the Pocketbook version, and then this one is from the Howl book set version. So make sure you give Tough Love some love and listen to it. Streaming now everywhere. Watch his music video. It's really good too as well for Tough Love. So give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. That would help my channel a lot. Comment down below if you are an Onew stan, Shiny stan, if you're excited about a Shiny comeback. Hopefully we'll have one soon. Or just write in the comments hi. I like reading your comments, and they help the channel a lot. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We have a lot of unboxings coming up, including the rest of Arirang unboxings for BTS. So please hit the notification button so you don't miss any of those. As always, please take care of yourself, take care of others, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Bye!